In this video I'm going to show you how you cannot actually open your image file, or maybe you have added the image file in your HTML file but it's not showing, it's showing broken image. So in this video I'm going to show you that why this problem happens and how you can actually solve it. So here you can see this is index.html. okay, fine. And now here you can see we have the icons here, a folder, and here we have an image, right? And this is an HTML file, image issue. So here let's say I want to show this, so I'm going to open it in a browser. You can see we have opened it, right? So now if I go to the code here, let's say you want to add this image, right? So if I say here, let's say home.png, so you can see the name is home, right? The image name is home, so I have added the image name, perfect, right? But if I refresh, now you can see there is a broken image. Here you can see there is broken image. Why this has happened? Because I haven't actually mentioned the path, the exactly correct path. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you can actually make these silly mistakes. So the first thing is you have to actually you have to mention the correct path. And for this we have icons. So if I say icons, then if I refresh now, it will actually show. And on the other hand, you will face some problem if you mistakenly actually give here s or something else. Let's say you forgot to give here proper name, so you may actually give here 2e or any other, let's say any other issue. Maybe you can actually give here comma, or so it's a silly mistake, right? Maybe sometimes it happens that you give here a wrong name, so make sure you have given here correct name. Here you can see in this case also we can show the broken image. So the first thing is what you have to mention the path. But let's say the image is here in this folder. You can see these files are inside this HTML folder, right? So if my home png is here, let's say if I move it, open containing folder, let's say I want to copy this, let's say go back here, I want to paste it, then what will happen? And now if I remove this folder also, it will show let's change the name. Okay, it will show the image. Why? Now because here you can see these are in the same folder, right? The main folder is HTML, and inside HTML we have image and HTML file. But what about, let's say I want to delete this from here. Now we have to mention here the path, icons. So why? Because the home png is inside icons, so you have to actually say here icons slash then home png. And sometimes you can't actually see your, let's say you have a mistake, let's say, and you can't actually see anything here, even not the broken image. Why? Because you haven't actually used alt. If I go here, if I refresh now, here you can see there is nothing. I mean, you can actually see image, so image is not showing here, right? Why? Because of alt or tag. So we have to actually use alt here, right, every single time to actually find out that what is the main problem with our image. Okay, so here we have to say, let's say image. All right, now if I go refresh, and here you can see the image is broken image. So now we can actually understand that, okay, maybe I have made any mistake in the source. Okay, maybe image file name, or maybe the correct path, or maybe the correct extension. Let's see, your image is here, you can see png. So if I say here, let's say it is inside icons, right? If I say icons, then if I refresh now, I can see the image. But let's say I want to say here jpg. So we have different kind of extension for image, right? jpg, jpeg, jpeg. Okay, so we have gif or gif, whatever you say. So make sure you have given here correct extension. If I go here now, refresh, here you can see broken image. It means we got an error with our extension, so we have to actually find out it. Okay, all the things. Refresh. Okay, now we can see the image. So these are the basic errors with the image tag. I hope you understand, and make sure that you have actually used the proper tag, right? Here you can see it's a self-closing tag, so you have to remember it. Okay, you can't actually use it like this, I mean like this. Okay, why? Because image is self-closing. So these are actually common things. I hope you understand. So make sure to keep focusing on these names, path, extension, and alt. Okay, alternative name. Okay, if this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.